process automation and data analytics. Hands-on experience, create timetables and dimensions in SAP Datasphere. Step 1. Check Data Builder artifacts list. Step 2. Go to Page Management. Step 3. Select Time Data. Select Create Tables and Dimensions. You can see the set of tables and dimensions are going to create the granularity, dimensions by year, quarter, month, days, and tables, quarter, months, and days. After the process are finished, go to the Data Builder perspective. In the Data Builder perspective, you can see that all of artifacts are deployed regarding the time data. Step 4. Check artifact details. In the artifact, you can select the day, for example. You notice this artifact is a SQL view. Here you have attribute that is composed of fields and data type, association. In the end, you have a list of hierarchy are linked to these artifacts. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Process automation and data analytics.